Yeah. Regardless, final, regardless.
I think everybody was willing to hear you out, even myself, if I understood correctly from what you just said. They've given you their worst. Sure, they might have given you their worst. They have also given you their best for 25 years.
Let him know, Cody. Let him know.
They did that because you were special. They did that because you could take it. They did that because you could carry it.
Whoa, Cody's on fire tonight.
It's WWE Champion. Let me ask you.
Cody. Cena, and instead, I got this. Well, this better not show up at WrestleMania. Because if it does, I'm running now because I already took any best shot and it wasn't good enough. I'm retiring early. So go find John Cena, because I want to wrestle